Hello, I will be presenting my Zappos web scraping and data analysis. For my introduction and methodology and key findings, the most helpful practice that I did was following along step by step and going back to fix any issues that I have encountered during my data scraping and cleaning. My key findings were to gather all data on each brand of women's running shoes along with their ratings. After organization, I was able to see the rankings of each brand of shoe in categories of price, style, comfort, true to size, true to width, as well as the overall rating. As for my most interesting and important findings, the most interesting finding for me was seeing the price per pair of shoe and the brand of the shoe. The correlation that I made was that each shoe brand didn't go over the $160 price point. As for my other most interesting and important findings, I wanted to say first that I don't believe I have used a parallelogram before, so it was interesting to me to see the correlations the shoes can have with all factors listed and to see the strongest correlation between the variables and the weakest. I have noted that I have 5 correlations for the 6 variables of data that I have gathered. To answer these questions, the different brands compare with regards to price by showing that all shoes gathered are under the $300 price point, and the shoes that are in the $50 to $200 range have an overall rating of between 4 and 5 stars. The brands that seem to be doing the best are the ones in the 4 to 5 star range. The ones that seem to do the worst are the brands that are the highest and lowest price, and the ones that seem to do the best are in the middle price point area. When a shoe has a high overall rating, that tells consumers that the overall rating of all factors rated seem to be in good standing. I would say that price and comfort would be the best indicators because it shows the durability of the shoe for that price point. In conclusion, I have found my findings of all data collected to show a broader picture of all factors that could be collected to give you the best possible outcome for choosing the right shoe for yourself. In my findings, I was most curious to see how low ratings and high price because it made me know what shoes to buy and which ones to stay away from. It is best to buy a more affordable shoe with a higher rating rather than buying at a higher price point but an overall lower rating of all factors included in the data scraping process. Thank you.